Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied some math and trig DAX functions. And now in today's class, we will also learn more about some math and trig DAX functions. So let's start the class guys. And here are the topics which we are going to cover in today's class. So let's start with this acot DAX function. So let's go to reference page and understand the definition first. It returns the principal value of the arcotangent or inverse cotangent of a number. So here we have just only one parameter, and here you can read the definition. The cosine of the angle you want must be a real number. So let's go to Power BI desktop and go to data view. So guys, I have created one table here which name is trigonometry, and we have taken two columns, value 1 and value 2. Under value 1 guys, I have taken positive integers, and in value 2 some of the integers are negative. Now simply apply the DAX function here. Just go here in new column and simply you need to edit this as acot. And now I will write my DAX function which is acot. And we have just only one parameter which is number. So I will take value 1 column which is from the trigonometry table and close the bracket and hit enter. So here we can see guys, our new column has added. So in this way you can use this acot DAX function. These are the trigonometry functions guys, but we should have basic understanding about these DAX function, that how we can use this trigonometry DAX function. And now let's move towards the next topic of our today's class, which is acot h. So let's go to reference page and now let's understand the definition. It returns the inverse hyperbolic cotangent of a number. And here we have just only one parameter which is number. And here you can read the definition guys. The absolute value of a number must be greater than 1. If there is a negative value, it will not work. So number should not be in negative. So let's go to Power BI desktop and apply this acot h DAX function. Simply go here in new column and replace this as acot h. And now I will write my DAX function which is acot h. And under number 1 parameter guys, I will take this value 1 column again which is from the trigonometry table and close the bracket and hit enter. So here is the result guys. So in this way we can use this acot h DAX function. So here we don't need to go here in backend calculation because it is automatically done by Power BI. You just only need to know how we can apply this DAX function. Now go to the next topic of our today's class which is sin. I hope guys you have definitely heard in trigonometry sine, cos, tan and so on. So let's go to reference page and here we can read the definition. It returns the arcsine or inverse sine of a number. The arcsine is the angle whose sine is number. The written angle is given in radians in the range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And here we have just only one parameter which is number. And here you can read the definition guys. The sines of the angle you want and must be from minus 1 to 1. So our number should be between minus 1 to 1. If it is greater than 1, it will not work. And it returns the arcsine or inverse sine of a number. So we will take this same example. So let's go to Power BI desktop and now I will go here on new calculated column and simply I will write sin. And now I will write my DAX function which is sin. And under number parameter guys, I will take this minus value. Let's suppose minus 0.89 and close the bracket. So here is our answer guys. And in this way guys, we can use this sin DAX function. And if you want to convert into degree, so you simply need to enter shift plus 8 which is multiply sign and multiply with 180 and divided by pi. So in this way you can also calculate the degrees. Here you can see guys. And now let's move towards the next topic of our today's class which is sin h. So let's go to reference page and here we can read the definition. It returns the inverse hyperbolic sine of a number. The inverse hyperbolic sine is the value whose hyperbolic sine is number. So sin h equals number. And here we have just only one parameter. And the number should be real. And here we can see this example. So let's take an same example. So go here in Power BI desktop, and this time I will apply a sin h. So go here in new calculated column, and let me rename this as a sin h. And now I will write my DAX function, which is a sin h. And under number parameter guys, firstly I will take this value 1 column, which is from the trigonometry table, and close the bracket. So here we can see guys, in this way we can use this a sin h function. And now let's move towards the next topic, which is a10. So let's read the definition from reference page. It returns the arctangent or inverse tangent of a number. The arctangent is the angle whose tangent is number. The written angle is given in radians in the range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So you don't need to go with this definition. You just simply need to enter your parameters. So here you can read the parameter, the tangent of the angle which you want. So let's apply with this same example in our Power BI desktop. So go to Power BI desktop and use new calculated column. And now I will edit this as a10. And now I will write my DAX function, which is a10. And here we have just only one parameter, so I will select value 1 again, which is from the trigonometry table, and close the bracket and hit enter. So here is the answer guys, and in this way we can calculate a10 DAX function. And now let's move towards the last topic of our today's class, which is a10h. So let's go to reference page and understand the definition. It returns the inverse hyperbolic tangent of a number. Number must be between -1 and 1. The inverse hyperbolic tangent is the value whose hyperbolic tangent is number. So it equals to number. And here we have just one parameter, and you can read the definition. Any real number between 1 and -1. So the number is between 1 and -1. So we have to enter such kind of numbers. So let's take same example here in Power BI desktop. Go to Power BI desktop and go to data view, and simply go here in new calculated column, and let me edit this as a10h. And now I will write my DAX function and simply enter the same value guys which I have copied from there, and close the bracket and hit enter. So here is the result guys. So in this way you can use this trigonometrical functions in Power BI. I hope guys now you are cleared with all the DAX functions of our today's class. So do more practice and explore more yourself, and stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and like button, and don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this Telegram channel where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening. And you will also find some latest interview updates and some scenario based questions. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think you require paid training sessions guys, so guys I am also providing paid training sessions. And from day one guys, I make you prepare for interviews. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn and Telegram channel. And for free learners guys, we have this YouTube channel. So keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.